count 1, it's alleged that Munko Lydia from the month of March 2023 up to 3rd March 2023 in Jinja City committed acts of gross indecence with Naiga Martha. And in count 2, it's alleged that Naiga Martha from the month of March 2022 up to 3rd March 2023 in Jinja District committed acts of gross indecence with one Mukoda, Lydia alias one Ida. Both parties denied the charges and stated regarding the Mukoda Lydia into their offense. Prosecution alleged evidence from 3 witnesses. I have looked at the evidence on record and also considered the submissions of counsel for the accused with no case to answer. Having evaluated all the evidence on record, I'm satisfied that the prosecution has established a prima facie case against both accused persons that necessitates each to give a defense, and I am reading the courtroom of the defense. Are you ready?
Your Worship, I request that we adjourn the matter.
Why?
I am holding brief for Council Maria Bujiba and also Council for the first accused person. Is not feeling well. He came to court but he left. So I request that we adjourn to maybe next week.
At 9 a.m. for defense hearing.
Fenga abaawo obujulizi abakulembeze b'oku kyalo abantu bano bwe baali basula, tusaba kooti egezeeko okuteekamu obwangu mu nsala yaayo abantu baffe ku kyalo, eggwanga tusobole okufuna obwenkanya, kubanga ekituleeta wano twagala kulaba nti eggwanga lyaffe libeera ttebenkevu nga tewali muntu yenna aleeta kuyigiriza mpisa mbi ezali za buwangwa bw'Abannayuganda. So tusuubira nti nga 28 egenda kubeera the last adjournment basale omusango guno. As chairperson LC1, where both Martha Naigaga and Mukoda Lydia resides, we came to see, to witness the ruling, but the court adjourned to 28th. So we are hopeful that the court is going to decide in our favor as a community. Thank you.
Thank you so much.